To file ITR1, you need to come any browser and visit incometax.gov.in. Here, you need to click on the login button which is showing here. Now enter your user ID. You can put either PAN or Aadhaar. Then click on the continue button. Click on this checkbox and input your password here. If you don't remember your password, just click on the forget password. After putting password, just click on the continue button. Your income tax portal will be look like this. Before filing ITR, make sure to check AIS, and from here your form 26S, so that and all the transactions showing there you can show in your income tax return. Now select assessment year 25-26, click on the continue, click on the continue, click on the start new filing. Now click again on continue, select ITR1 form, click on proceed with ITR1, click on OK, click on let's get started. Now it's asking for reason for filing ITR. If your income is more than 3 lakh, select this, otherwise you can select others. After clicking on others, just click on the continue button, just click on the OK. Now come on the personal information, your name and your address and contact details will come here. Now nature of employment, if you are getting any salary, who is giving you the salary? If you are not getting any salary, click not applicable. If you are getting private salary, click on the others. Before filing ITR, due date 15 September, just keep on 139.1. If you want to take 7 lakh rupees basic exemption limit, tax free limit, then click on the no. It will take you new tax regime, and in 5 lakh rupees limit you want to go in old tax regime, just click on the yes. All the bank accounts should be added here, and at least one bank account should be nominated and validated. Click on the confirm. Now come on the gross total income and edit button in the salary head, just click on it. If you are getting suppose 30,000 rupees per month salary, then 3,60,000, and you are getting 75,000 rupees standard deduction, click on the save button. Income from house property, if you are having any rental income, just click on let out. Suppose you are getting 1 lakh rupees rental income, after 30,000 standard deduction it is showing 70,000 rupees your net income. Apart from that, income from other source, saving interest will come automatically. If you have any other part-time income, just click on the any other. Here you have to mention the nature and amount. We have mentioned income from freelancing work and we have input the amount. Click on the save button. If you are having any long-term capital gain up to 1,25,000, click here. Any exempt income like PPF interest you can input here. Click on the confirm button. Now deductions, you know in new tax regime no deductions available, just click on the confirm button. Any TDS deducted on salary other than salary, form 16C, any TCS collected or self-assessment or advance tax paid will be come here. Click on the confirm button. Click on verify your tax liability. Friends, after 3 lakh your tax is becoming 19945, but 87A section is saying if your income is up to 7 lakh rupees, you need not to pay tax up to 20,000. So overall tax liability becoming nil, 0. Click on the confirm button. Again proceed to verification. It is showing you need to make a payment of 0 rupees. Again you can confirm your data, preview and submit return. Click on this checkbox, input the place from where sitting you are filing this ITR, proceed to validation. Now if there will be any error, it will be shown here. You can click on that error and rectify accordingly. Click on the preview button. Again click on the proceed to validation. Our ITR has been validated successfully. Click on the verification. Click on the e-verify now. Click on the continue button. Click on the I would like to generate Aadhaar OTP. Click continue. I agree and generate Aadhaar OTP. A 6-digit OTP will come on the mobile number which is linked to your Aadhaar. Just input the that in OTP and click on the submit button. Congratulations, your ITR has been submitted successfully. Friend, if you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.